Online consulting. Online consulting is a booming industry in 2024, offering professionals across various fields the opportunity to share their expertise and earn flexibly. Whether you're a business strategist, health coach, or career mentor, online consulting allows you to connect with clients worldwide, solve problems, and guide them toward achieving their goals. With advancements in technology and a growing demand for specialized knowledge, now is the perfect time to explore this dynamic career path. Why online consulting is thriving. The rise of remote work culture has transformed how businesses and individuals seek expertise. Post-pandemic, organizations and entrepreneurs have embraced online consulting as a cost-effective and accessible solution. The industry is projected to surpass $10.6 billion by the end of 2024, driven by globalization, digital tools, and increasing reliance on human expertise in strategic and creative domains. AI and automation may handle repetitive tasks, but consultants bring a personal touch that technology cannot replace. Platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams facilitate global connections, enabling consultants to reach clients regardless of location. Additionally, the flexibility of online consulting aligns with the growing desire for remote work options, making it an attractive career choice for many professionals. Getting started with online consulting. To succeed as an online consultant, the first step is identifying your niche. Reflect on your expertise and passions, whether it's LinkedIn profile optimization, e-commerce scaling strategies, or yoga for busy professionals. Finding a specific area ensures you stand out in a competitive market. Building a strong online presence is equally crucial. A professional website showcasing your skills, services, and testimonials can establish credibility, while platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram help you connect with potential clients. Technology. Using technology effectively can streamline your business. Tools like Calendly simplify scheduling, Zoom supports video consultations, and Canva enhances branding efforts. For client acquisition, consider joining platforms such as Clarity.fm or Fiverr to showcase your offerings and secure your first projects. Pricing. Pricing your services is another critical aspect. Start with competitive rates to build a portfolio and gradually offer more structured packages, such as one-off consultations, monthly retainers, or group sessions. Marketing strategies, including SEO-optimized content, blogs, and webinars, can help you attract clients. Networking in industry groups and forums also expands your reach and establishes you as a trusted authority. Tools and trends for success in 2024. Leveraging the latest tools and trends can give you a competitive edge. AI-powered analytics tools like Crystal Knows help personalize your approach by understanding client personalities. ChatGPT and other AI assistants can assist in drafting reports and analyzing data. Virtual reality (VR) is emerging as a game changer in fields like fitness and architecture, offering immersive consulting experiences. Additionally, online learning platforms such as Teachable can complement your consulting services by allowing you to create and sell courses or workshops, generating passive income alongside your active consulting work. Success stories and inspiration. The potential of online consulting is evident in numerous success stories. For instance, a digital marketer from India turned a 100 investment into a six-figure income by advising international clients on Instagram growth. A personal trainer transitioned from in-person coaching to online consulting during the pandemic and now serves over 200 clients globally. Similarly, a retired teacher launched an online tutoring service, helping students worldwide while generating consistent income through recorded lessons. These examples highlight how diverse skills can translate into thriving consulting careers. Online consulting is more than just a side hustle, it's a powerful way to impact others while building a flexible and lucrative career. By leveraging your expertise, embracing technology, and staying updated with industry trends, you can thrive in this ever-growing field. So, whether you're just starting or looking to expand your reach, the time to dive into online consulting is now. Ready to take the leap? Start building your consulting empire today, and don't forget to share your journey with others who might benefit. Let us make a difference together.